This is a vulture. It's just found a dead animal carcass, and soon it will be torn apart by these hungry scavengers. But for now, they must wait until the vultures have finished their feast. And what a feast it is! These birds are known to feed only on dead animals, and they're nature's dark cleaners. They clean up the mess that would otherwise pile up if there weren't any vultures around. That is why every single year, millions of pounds of waste are saved from landfills thanks to these scavengers. But don't be fooled by this seemingly ordinary bird. This scavenger has its own evil side. It is strong enough to tear apart other animals, even those that are still alive. The Andean condor, which is one of the largest flying birds in the world, feeds mainly on carrion. It is not only an excellent scavenger, but also a ruthless killer. When a condor spots a potential meal, it swoops down from above and snatches its prey right off the ground. It can carry off a full-grown human if it wants to. Luckily for us, condors are not aggressive towards humans. However, we should still be very afraid of them. If a condor decides to attack, it will be very hard to defend yourself against it. First, because condors are massive. Some of them can reach a wingspan of almost 10 feet. Second, because they're extremely strong. A group of condors can pull a full-grown cow carcass up into the sky with ease. Third, because they're too smart to be hunted. These birds have excellent eyesight, and they can spot a human hunter from miles away. Also, condors have great memories. They remember places where there was food, and they return to these spots over and over again. Even though condors are scary predators, we need them to keep our planet clean. They're the ultimate scavengers and the masters of the dark side. Every year, millions of tons of waste would pile up if there weren't any vultures around. Condors, along with other vultures, are the only ones who aren't afraid to dig their beaks and claws into rotting meat. They tear apart carcasses and eat everything they can. Nothing is wasted. Even the smallest insects inside the carcass get picked out and eaten. Let's take a closer look at these birds. Their featherless heads and necks make it easier for them to find food and to eat it. Their strong beaks and sharp claws help them to tear apart the toughest carcasses in seconds. And their incredible eyesight helps them to spot dead animals from miles away. And when a vulture finds a dead animal, all the other vultures gather at the same spot. They squabble over the food, and the strongest one gets the best pieces. We should be glad that such scavengers exist, even if they are creepy and scary, because without them, our planet would be a very, very stinky place. These birds usually don't get appreciated by humans, but without them, we would be doomed. They are the dark cleaners of our planet. They are the evil side of nature. They are the ones who clean up the mess. And now, let's finish this story. The vultures have finished their meal. The only thing left is a pile of bones. Soon the sun will set, and the vultures will fly back to their nests. Look at them! They fly into a blood-red sunset like a flock of angry birds. And if you listen closely, you can hear them laughing. They're laughing at us. They're laughing at our S.